Hi customers, welcome to AB Clothing, care from Bangalore. Today I am going to show you shirts production unit. You can see different collections in different fabrics: cotton, denim, linen, twill cotton, oxford, all kinds of fabric we do. Daily we have 5 to 6,000 pieces of shirts production. We have completely UPT, computerized machines. We take care of each thread. Okay. You can visit always our factory to get a stock, and also you can call us on mentioned mobile numbers. So 100% sure you will get best price and best quality. See all of us per color we take care of more than 500 pieces. You can see that. Yeah, thank you.